In this video, we'll look at how you can use merge tags, merged values, throughout automation in Macanta. So let's say, for example, I've got my opportunity here that's driving some automation. I'm going to set it to drive an email, and I want to merge names into that email. So let's say, for instance, I want to merge the sales rep's name into an email that I'm actually sending to the client. So what I need to do is have the sales rep's name on the data object in Macanta. So let's go, we're going to put it under our tracking tab, but let's go and have a look at here. So first thing we need to do is add that field to our data object. So we'll go and add here. That's just going to be text. And we're going to have that in the details subsection inside tracking. That's all set up, and I can save that. So now I can go over and have a look, and I've got my sales rep here. Now I want to set up automation to automatically populate that with the sales rep name. So I'm going to have to use merged values because I don't know who's going to have the sales rep relationship, and it needs to be dynamic. So let's go to our automation. We'll start with our trigger action, and we'll say set sales rep name, and it's for an opportunity. The relationship is going to be the sales rep because it's the sales rep's name that I need to merge in, so I have to drive it with the sales rep contact. And then I can go in and I can find sales rep's name. Now I want to set it to something. I don't know who the sales rep is, but I know that I'm driving this through the sales rep contact. So I can merge in the first name and the last name. And I can go and save that. And then we can set up a condition, and we can say if the sales rep name is not set, and it's going to be the opportunity again. Here I can set the restart after to be after 1 minute, because as soon as it's set, it'll stop taking that action. But if someone clears it out for any reason, I want that to go back in. I'm going to drive it with a sales rep, the same as I am my action. And then I'm just going to say sales rep name is null. I can save that. So now I've got my action and my condition. Let me go and set that up as a workflow under automation. And I'll add a new group here for opportunities. And I can then go in, and if the sales rep name is not set, then set the sales rep name, connect that and save. And then in a little moment, our automation will run, and we'll see this sales rep name here being populated. And there we can see the highlights come up from the heartbeat telling us that the sales rep name, contact one import, has been populated there. So that way I can have a dynamic name. Now you might ask, why would I want to do that? Well, in this instance, I can now merge this value, sales rep name, into an email to the customer. So let's say, for instance, it's an email that comes from the sales manager telling me who my sales rep or my sales agent is going to be. That can be dynamically merged in without needing to set in advance who the sales rep is. As soon as the sales rep is connected, those values will be populated, and then this can be merged into an email. But you'll notice you have access to these merged values throughout Macanta's automation. So here we used it on the webhook. We can obviously use them in email and SMS. Field actions will use them, and then contact actions. When I create notes and tasks, I have those merge values available there as well. So you can use them throughout your automation.